Hi everybody! I'm playing a game called Press the Button. I've just got into a game right now. So, this game is where I need to try and get all the gifts. And I don't think I'm doing that good at it, to be fair. Oh yes, I got one. Okay. You might have realised that I've done 2 videos today. This is a new record, saying that one of my recentest videos was 5 months ago. So yes, a big accomplishment from doing a 5-month split between every one of them to actually making 2 in one day. So that's great. Anyway, time to play Death Run. Oh no. Oh. One house opens there. Okay, I'm dead. I should have been more careful. I wasn't really concentrating on gems. Diamonds! 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 I do not want to hit anybody who doesn't like walking into diamonds, short diamonds, and cutting their back. I like it. I just run into them. I don't care if they'll kill me. I like running into coins. Okay. Okay, where are we going now? What's happening? Oh god, there's a banana! What happened? Ugh. The level is hiding. Okay, I need to find a lever in the bushes. Or a lever. Wait. Okay, I found the lever. Now we need to get in there. No, I died. No, I died. I'm so bad at obby. Oof, stop it, Sam. I can't even get through this first jump and you probably all hate me because I can't even do it. It's because I'm playing on computer. I don't normally play on computer. I don't even really play Roblox. It's the only thing you can play on a computer. Don't research that, please. What just happened? My game just lagged out. Am I supposed to jump over something when it's lagging? Literally, mate. How am I supposed to do it? Okay. If, as you see here, I am the hottest in the world. Literally, I am. So yes. Anybody? Yes. Look at him. Look at him. Okay. Press the button. Okay, I pressed it. Mysterious level. Pull it? I don't know. Oh yeah. Let's pull it. Let's pull it. Uh oh. Yeah, that didn't end well. Let's not pull the lever. Okay, diamonds! No, I shall do it, noob. No, you collected it. Ah, I'm gonna chase you off. Get ready to fight with Obanga. Ah, ah, I'm gonna die. Ah, I'm like the Matrix, but better. No, no, my newbie body has been electrocuted. No. Oh god, speed run! I'm Dream! I'm Dream! If Dream was a noob. Okay. Maybe I can do it this time. Eh, 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 eh. See, I am Dream. In an alternate universe. Okay, I don't think I have a chance now, so now I'm just gonna collect every single gem. Gem. I want gem. Where is gem? I eat gem. No, I don't. But I might. Look at that face. It's made to eat gems. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that face. That face so beautiful. Oh god, what just happened? What just happened? Oh.
That's a lot of damage.
I agree. Oh no, the same thing.
That's a lot of damage.
Okay. I'm seeing 2 houses explode. Oh god, I don't want a hot potato. I'm allergic to potatoes, please. Please, I'm allergic. Please. I'm a little noob. A little noob in the distance. Look at that face. Look at it to murder. Okay, so I think I'm going to end the video there because as you know I am trash at hobbies. So as I said in the last video, subscribe or no cookie. Done.